Introducing Connect ProCore from TradeTek. TradeTek is an all-in-one takeoff and estimating solution for the construction industry. Import the cost catalog from ProCore into TradeTek database lists. Make updates to the lists in TradeTek and then import back into the ProCore cost catalog. Import plan files into TradeTek and perform takeoff using assemblies that generate takeoff measurements as well as generating item quantities for material, labor, subcontract, equipment and other items. Once the takeoff is complete, create the new project in ProCore, then import the work breakdown structure from TradeTek or create it from the company-level work breakdown structure in ProCore. Next, import the items with quantities generated from the takeoff in TradeTek into the project budget in ProCore. Connect ProCore seamlessly integrates your takeoff, estimating and database management between TradeTek and ProCore, streamlining your entire pre-construction process. Check out the TradeTek app in the ProCore marketplace and visit the TradeTek website at www.tradeteksoftware.com for more information.